my lovely viewers, this is Hello You Are Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to slow mouse pointer in Windows. So for this case we have to write the here. So for this case we will write here the mouse MOU. See the mouse settings, we will click here. So here the additional mouse settings. See here this. If we want to this, that means the double click speed here. So here the this option mouse properties, button, pointers options, wheel, hardware, lots of thing has been revealed or embedded here. So here I have selected the speed is fast, that's why the last stage, that in the first stage now I want to slow this stage. So in this way the mouse has been the slow things happen, which we will not use this way, but some people needed these things. So thank you so much for before this we will not select it only this, so we will select as well as we have to press the apply button, then it will work, then we will press the OK, then it will work perfectly. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.